Here I have BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, let's open Settings, then go to the System section, Backup. Enable backup to Google Drive, then go to the account. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google, then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And then just tap Turn On here. Accept, then OK. And as you can see, now your device is ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.